In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to use in-person electronic notarization, also referred to as IPEN, in OneSpan Notary. Notaries in approved jurisdictions can use this feature to electronically witness, sign and seal documents with signers in a face-to-face scenario. Let's take a closer look at how this feature works. After logging into OneSpan Sign, the notary accesses their My Account section and clicks Notary Commission. The notary clicks Add to include their commission details. The notary can select different options in the Authority section. If the notary can only perform IPEN transactions, they can select Electronic Notary. If the notary can perform both IPEN and RON transactions, they can select Remote Online Notary. If their commission applies to both methods, they can add a checkbox to My Commission applies to both RON and IPEN transactions. In this example, the notary can only perform IPEN transactions, so they will select Electronic Notary. The notary adds their name, country, jurisdiction, commission number, commission expiration date, and uploads their notary seal. The notary agrees to the terms of use, confirms they are a commission notary, and clicks Save. The notary's commission information is saved in OneSpan Sign, and they can revisit this page at any time to edit or delete their commission details. Now it's time for the notary to prepare the documents for in-person electronic notarization. The notary selects New Transaction and enters a name for the transaction. In the drop-down, the notary selects In-Person Electronic Notarization as a transaction type and then clicks Create to proceed. To add a document to the transaction, the notary clicks Add Document and uploads a document from their files. The notary now adds themselves to the transaction and clicks the notary badge next to their name. The notary adds a signer to the transaction by adding the signer's first name, last name, and email address. They then click Next to prepare the document for signing and electronic notarization. To prepare the affidavit, the notary can drag and drop the signature blocks into the desired areas of the document. The notary can also scroll down to access additional fields specifically configured for IPEN, such as Notary Name, Notary Commission Number, Notary Jurisdiction, Notary Country, Notary Seal, Notary Commission Expiration Date. Once all the necessary fields have been added, the affidavit is ready to send. The notary clicks Send to Sign. When the notary meets the signer in person to notarize the affidavit, they can access the transaction on their tablet or laptop and then click Sign. The welcome screen appears showing the actions required for both the signer and notary in the IPEN session. To start the electronic notarization, the notary selects the signer's name and clicks Start. The notary clicks Proceed to confirm they're handing off the documents to be e-signed by the signer. The notary hands the tablet or laptop to the signer. The signer confirms that they are ready to e-sign the documents. The signer reviews the document that needs to be e-signed and clicks Sign. Once the signer has completed the signing process, they click Confirm and then Done to pass control back to the notary to apply their signature and notary seal. The notary selects themselves and clicks Start to proceed with signing and notarizing the document by applying their seal. The notary can then fill in additional information about the in-person electronic notarization session in the e-journal. This includes information such as signer street address, city, country, zip code and state, identification method, notary's relationship to the signer, document type, notarial act, date of notarization, and comments. The notary clicks Save. And that's it. The in-person electronic notarization session has been successfully completed with OneSpan Notary. At the end of the session, the notarized affidavit, comprehensive audit trail, and e-journal are available to review and download. The notary exits signing mode and clicks Download to access these assets. The notarized document and audit trail will be contained in a zip file. The notarized document shows the signer's e-signature, the date the document was notarized, the notary's name, signature, and the e-notary electronic seal. The evidence summary contains the audit trail. This captures detailed actions taken throughout the e-signing and notarization process, including signing privileges passed between notary and signer, IP address and geolocation details of participants, e-signing events and timestamps, notaries applying their e-notary electronic seal, and other actions. The e-journal can only be accessed by the notary. At the end of each in-person electronic notarization session, the e-journal will be available to the notary in the Account Settings section. To access the e-journal, the notary clicks My Account, then selects Journal in the left-hand column. They can then download the e-journal for their selected IPEN session. All the required information captured during the IPEN session is included in the e-journal. This includes transaction name, notarial act, document type, signer information, identification type, and the notary's comments. The notary can download and save the electronic evidence to their records at any time. OneSpan Notary transforms how notaries and customers get agreements completed. Contact our team for more information or to get started with OneSpan Notary today.